Alright, hello everybody. In this lecture, we're going to be learning the most insane, confusing thing, alright? This is your first time learning about pointers, alright? You're gonna be pretty mesmerized. You're gonna be like, absolutely, what, Alright, so what is a pointer? What and how to declare them, how to assign values to them, blah blah blah, right? So let's declare an integer, guitars, okay? And let's say we have 56 guitars, right? Guitars equals 56. And we can just perfectly, see out guitars. It's going to display 56. Let's run it. Alright, pretty self-explanatory, right? But what happens if we put an and symbol in front of it? It gives us this weird combination of letters and numbers, alright? Now this isn't actually a weird combination. It's a hexadecimal. It's a different type. It's not like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So listen, okay? You're gonna want to do some googling about this hexadecimal, but in English, right? In the numbers go from 0 to 10, right? And then 11 to 99 to 100, right? But in computer language, it goes from 0 to 16. So when we count from 8, 9, 10, it's like 16 for the computer. So this is pretty much, yeah, this is where the all right, let's try rephrasing this, all right? This variable is stored somewhere on this computer. I don't know where, but the computer knows where it's stored. And when we put this and signed ampersand, right? It shows me where on the computer it's located, all right? Now, I'm not really a computer, I can't read this, but this does have uses later on. Bear with me here, but yeah, right? So, now we're going to learn about what a pointer is, all right? So here we have guitars, and when we put this and symbol, ampersand, it shows us the memory location of this variable, okay? It's pointing to this location, right? So let's go ahead and make a new variable called guitar pointer, right? And we'll set it, we're actually not going to assign it just yet. We need to put an asterisk, okay? That's what's special about pointers, is because if we simply did this would be a normal integer, right? But the fact that we're putting, the same thing you use for multiplication, this asterisk, it makes it a pointer variable. So it's almost like a different data type, right? If we did this, it means we just declared a pointer, alright? Now, this pointer, the only thing it can hold is a memory location, right? This thing right here. So let me just give you an example. Let's do guitar pointer. Bear with me, this is an absolutely crazy subject to learn, but this is, if you want to get good at C++, this is what you need to learn and master, right? So guitar pointer equals guitars, ampersand of guitars, and we'll do a guitar pointer. All right, let's go ahead and write a comment, all right, so we can fully understand what's going on, okay? So display the memory location of the guitar variable. So this is what this is doing, right? Assigning the memory location to the guitar pointer. All right? And guitar, so this is our integer we're using, right? And what is this variable's purpose right here? It's to hold the memory location of the guitar variable, right? This is pretty confusing. Let's go ahead and review this one more time. This is the integer we're using. and it's stored on our computer somewhere, right? Very important to know. And this has an asterisk, right? It's a little different. It means it's a pointer, right? When something has this asterisk, you can even put it in the front, right? And this code will still work. Ooh, it did not work. What is wrong? I must have done something wrong. You know what? Ooh. My apologies, right? You have to put the asterisk there. I thought you could put it at the end too, but you cannot, right? This is a pointer, and the only thing, like, for example, if we try doing this, 32, okay? That's just not gonna work. This is not a memory address, right? It's not a location. So, yeah. Alright. Pointer only stores memory of, you might think, oh, it's an int, right? But it stores the memory location for integers, right? We're using this. And this is what assigns it. So we're pretty much transferring guitars equals 56, the memory location of this, to here, to store it in this variable. And then we're displaying it, right? And as you can see, we have it here, this asterisk, but we don't display it once. We never display it, in fact. This is only used for declarations, and never again. You don't need to do that. It's gonna give you an error. Yeah. It can be like, boy. Now, here you can see the and sign, right? What happens if we did this? Well, let me tell you what would be happening. Guitar pointer, the pointer, would equal 56. That's pretty much what's happening. This is 56. Guitars equals 56. But this cannot equal 56. This is a pointer, and what pointers only hold memory addresses, right? And so when we put this ampersand, this doesn't equal 56 anymore. This guitars, here it says 56, but when we put the ampersand, it's not 56. Okay, this is a memory address. It's this, And yeah, long story short, that's pointers. We'll go more in depth if you don't understand. We'll figure out why they're used, of course. Very important. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.